Hello, I'm Jonna Stark, and today I'm standing in this beautiful private communal garden in the historic district of Jackson Heights, Queens. Today, I'm going to be showing you Unit 42 at 35-33 76th Street. There are just 2 units per floor, and how cool is it that the elevator opens right up to your apartment? Immediately when you enter, one of the things that strikes me the most is how bright and spacious this apartment is. The unit boasts 3 exposures, south, east, and west, with sunlight shining in all day long. This home has been fully renovated, so it has the charm of an older building, including cast iron radiators, hardwood floors, and even a fireplace with marble surround. Yet, it has modern conveniences and has been updated throughout, including high-end appliances in the kitchen, as well as both bathrooms being completely renovated. What's even better is this building has a live-in super, and it also offers free laundry facilities in the basement and a free storage unit. The Hawthorne Court Apartments is located in one of the coolest neighborhoods in all of Queens. Jackson Heights is known for its amazing and diverse array of foods and people. Described as the whole world in one neighborhood, Jackson Heights epitomizes the heart of what New York City is. There are so many incredible restaurants and shops that make up this amazing neighborhood, located near a hub of several subway lines, including the 7, E, F, and R trains. You can easily be in Manhattan in about 20 minutes. Thanks for taking the time to see Unit 42. Reach out to schedule a viewing of this very special unit today.